Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS is showing an incorrect battery percentage, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, such as software glitches or battery calibration problems. If left unresolved, it can lead to unexpected shutdowns or a completely unusable device, which can be quite frustrating. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip your Dell XPS over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the panel removed, you'll see the battery component clearly. It's usually located near the center of the device and is a flat rectangular shape. To remove the battery, disconnect the cable gently by pulling it straight out from the motherboard. Then, locate the screws holding the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, unscrew these and lift the battery out carefully. Replace it with a new battery, making sure it fits snugly into the compartment. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely in place. When putting the back panel back on, align it carefully and press down gently to snap it into place. Then, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the panel without overdoing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's a good idea to keep your operating system updated and regularly calibrate your battery. This can help ensure that your battery percentage remains accurate and your device runs smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.